This is a tutorial on how to do a wall flip. So the first thing you want to do is a wall kick. And if you come closer, when you run up, you put one foot on the wall and then you kick horizontally across. It looks like this. And then you basically do a 360. Once you got that down good, you want to go from kicking this way to kicking more straight. So it's like a 45-degree angle. So it looks like basically a cheat gainer off the wall. Once you can do that really easily, instead of cutting at 45, you just want to turn that straight vertical. And after a few tries, you should get it pretty easy. When you go to put your foot on the tree, you want it to be about chest height. For me, that's right here. And I think that's the perfect place to put your foot so you get enough height. Right now I'm using a tree, so after I plant and I go to kick, I can swing it to the side. But if you're using a wall, you might have to bend your knee so you don't kick the wall.
I hope this tutorial helped anyone trying to learn a wall flip. Please subscribe for more flips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next video.